দুটো additional পাঠিয়ে দাও মানে this contains 10 marks also.
My lord, but now, but in this stage, my lord, I indicate two things, my lord. One is that, my lord,
Two applications have been filed.
Yes, my
yes,
lord.
but I got my application additional,
And the other is yours for addition of parties.
but I got one can application that I accepted. 10 marks issue on 28, my lord. I had not opened my mouth about the 10 marks on 28, my lord. Regarding, my lord, the interview list, my lord, there are some candidates
Interview list.
Yes.
All right. Some candidates.
are tainted.
All right.
What
They are in the tainted list published by the
Commission.
commission. My lord, kindly turn page number 58.
Yes.
This interview list, one Nitish Ranjan Burman,
Serial number
serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my lord, very next page, that is tainted list, serial number 958, Nitish Ranjan Burman, in tainted list.
1 minute list of all candidates as per side. This is the list of tainted candidates.
Tainted list. Because this is a bulky list, so that's why, my lord,
Alright.
the relevant page and in the above, my lord, there is
Where
mentioned
is his name?
this paragraph, page number 958.
958.
Yes, my lord.
And is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether
That's
it's the
why-
same person
Yes,
or
madam.
not.
Now, very next page, my lord, kindly, I will make thereafter, my lord, the appropriate submission, my lord. Why, when, what, in this interregnum period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is
Yes,
different.
because of that is tainted list roll number is the in pursuance of 2016 selection process, and this page number 58 in pursuance of second SLST 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior,
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir,
Milord, he has given some instances, Milord, admittedly, Milord, this selection process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have, Milord, allowed these persons to appear, apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be, Milord, done if, Milord, the OMR sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many, Milord, tainted people have been allowed to participate.
publish করা আছে tainted with all details.
So these are our short submission on prayer.
Tainted list.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No, Milord, I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be definitely revealed, subject to, Milord, the publication of OMR sheets giving details so that we can compare.
And others name?
All right.
But we have no other means, Milord, to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
With all details.
Yes, your
Yes,
submission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Yes.
page 15.
Paragraph 14. They have given the name. First
Alright.
is one Nitish Ranjan Burman,
Hmm.
tainted, but physically handicapped. Supreme Court has protected him.
No.
Please, let me finish.
बोलते रहो.
I will next, Milord, Devlina Mondal. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandopal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If a lordship said don't give him, we do not. Jayanto Abedin, Joynal Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, Milord, I have taken the instruction. Now, Milord, kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Paragraph. No, just kindly give me one.
Paragraph 48.
Milord, kindly come to paragraph.
Page 40.
Page
40.
page 48. Page 40. Kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14. Can I see? Lastly, we address the case of the disabled candidates. Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the impugned judgment held that the appointee, Mrs. Soma Das, shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection processes appointed are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically transferred. Now, these disabled candidates, my lord, in terms of the for paragraph 48 and 49, they have been given chance. Otherwise, they will,
So 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
fresh
fresh,
selection process.
if required. Other
If required,
candidates
age
who are
relaxation
not
and other concessions.
specifically tainted
Yes.
No.
is
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates mentioned,
other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if he is
be
disabled, if he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yeah, not in terms of the Supreme Court judgment. I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age relaxation.
No, this is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
That Supreme Court has given it.
Yes,
Yes.
but not to the tainted ones.
My lord, this is includes that. Includes
What
that.
it includes.
Includes that, my lord. However, in consideration of the disability, kindly read my lord, paragraph 48.
Yes.
Yes, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So
Is
the
it- is it-
tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, these disabled mentioned PSP will be allowed to participate in the
Disabled-
fresh selection.
the tainted candidates.
According to our reading, this is there. That is the
See,
reason.
the next line
The lords hold it, I will cancel.
specifically
Lord, if your lords-
candidates who are
Lord, if your lords
specifically
hold that,
tainted.
if your lords hold that, we'll cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped. you
That's
are
right,
not letting
exactly.
them to
I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Now, my lord, can you-
Reading of the judgment is same.
Well,
Reading of my
I have only one because as far as I am concerned,
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
no, I'm-
Then-
that's why I
But
wanted-
so far other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roving inquiry. That's not permissible.
Well, as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not affected.
So I don't want to make any.
You are not physically
because I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrain to say anything because that is not. I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means submission is
10
that.
marks. There are many prayers.
10 marks is the main issue.
They fundamental issue 10 marks.
No, that today it is not canvassed. And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will happen.
Canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that we understand only from the
The
prayer.
repetition.
The
Yes.
prayer is it is-
Many.
yes, that's the main.
I
But
understand.
if it is restricted to the disabled,
Today the submission is only
Yes,
this,
then I-
and
When you see in the subsequent without order of the Supreme Court and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement
Yes, I am saying so.
that this is the order which was passed on the prayer of some candidates where the council for the SSC can come to the page 3.
High Court
Yes.
judgment.
We take on record the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are entitled to appear for the selection test pursuant to the aforesaid direction of this court would be permitted to appear in both the tests, that is 9, 10, so and so. As we have already directed that a list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days. It's not done.
Yes, done. It's not
done.
correct.
According to us, we also take on record the statement of the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on such and such. He further states that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated so and so issued by the commission stating the eligibility and ineligibility of candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the commission. That this is no sleeping, this is not just by chance. This is
conscious.
Conscious. Yes.
therefore, my lord, this tainted, my lord, if they allow to appear, unless somebody comes and brings
Points
notice
it
of the
out.
court, they go through.
Right.
No, I have no.
And therefore, my lord, to make it absolutely transparent, my lord, the publication of AMRs is for the benefit of all, so that we can compare, my lord, who are the tainted candidates who have slipped in or brought in.
There is enough chances to see other results and not that again same provision, same procedure.
No, same procedure.
2016. No, yes, we know that every time some
every
persons
time-
are there. Yes, some persons are there to disturb the everything.
That I-
They are born for it. We know about that.
Yes.
But so far, kindly record my submissions to this extent in view of the paragraph, that the two paragraphs I have of the Supreme Court judgments. Commission considered them that they are eligible in view of paragraph 49 and 49, and they have been called for or etc. interview list. I don't know whether they will get it or not. That I don't know, but this has been done. And so for the others, that's the name is there. This is mistaking. My lord, another request I will make, my lord. If your lordships also direct them to make them party also. Because they can't be affected. But they can't be affected by any order passed by your lordships. They can't be affected without being before your lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Yes.
Tainted list we have published, my lord. How many times I will give this? My lord, we have a tainted list. I have given it 291 to 334.
Can you see the list?
Yes.
Does it, my lord, give
If
the
cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it. No, I am doing in terms of law.
Yes.
But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the time for creating disturbance.
The court is here. Please do not answer each other.
Okay, my lord.
The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to
324.
324.
কোথায় এটা?
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না চাকরি পায় না
Please do not make these type of comments. You are a very senior member.
91 kindly.
Please don't. 291.
291 to 3
Interview to auditor OMR sheet.
324.
Mr. Order judgment.
324 nahi? Yes, 324.
1804. Serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about the
19
others?
Oh yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidates name serial number is there.
Ito acha to.
1804.
Yes.
According to the
1804.
investigation, and how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D.
That's
It's a 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12?
That is enough. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been
identify
published.
anyone?
Identify?
Yes. Which category? Where from they are applying? Look, this is similar to deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know what is this? Who is Nitish Manu? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show whatsoever. I'm not going to do that. Why the School Service Commission would hide with the the details authorities?
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of the High Court directed you publish the OMR.
Where is that?
Will kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
And that time OMR was published. That time OMR was published.
While kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
That was March with this
Paragraph
363.
That OMR was disclosed.
Final directions.
11, 12.
363.
363 of which one?
This is the Justice Basak's order.
Yes, division bench judgment.
OMR sheets available if not already done or such portion not done. Must be uploaded and made available to
Yes.
the public for viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficulty in for the authorities? Otherwise, this sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
Madam, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
not.
tainted candidates is in
I have
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lord.
No, the division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given the
Portions
name
not
and
done.
the
Hmm.
OMR.
Hmm.
OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
That is now.
He
That
said-
is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016. So 2025. This is 2025. the court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 days we will disclose the tainted candidates' names. That is the tainted candidates names that we have been given.
You published the name. You have already published the names and their details. Father's name.
But this is not. This is Milord, is a too far prayer for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain. Milord.
All right, please.
Milord, kindly see this. Next is 323.
Three-
This is too far. Milord, court is not. Court will not.
323.
Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. Am I a police officer? They will not do any homework. They will not do any homework.
320.
325. Kindly see.
What is it?
See. Serial number, roll number, name, status.
Who are they?
Why are they? Who are they? If you see,
No, what is
if
this?
they, if a
What
person
does status mean? OMR issue?
status, mismatch mark, OMR, that is all mismatch. That is the OMR. This is a whole list is there. But if a one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him.
Oh,
Then yes, of course, this is not. And this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes, yes,
Sir, it's
yes.
since
No, tell Mr. Bhattacharya also. You are also only blaming me. You are not saying to Mr. Bhattacharya. You are also blaming me. Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. I know that I am not a life person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most like how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not going to be affected. But the process which is continuing, I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they prayed. Only that.
Nothing. That is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted,
Yes,
I don't want to say.
That is not the
Yes,
prayer.
because I am an untainted, I have nothing to say. But
Only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme Court. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. The parties are there before the Supreme Court. It's not that they are not there.
No, therefore, any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance they are urging of Justice Bosak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No,
No.
but this goes on and on.
Only one.
I'm also to be
one-
allowed
sorry,
without service.
Sorry, Milord, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Bossak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceeding would be drawn up. That has not been initiated.